the idea just popped in our head to climb up on the Empire State Building as King Kong. We've been working on it for like a month and a half. Maddie is Fay Ray, I'm Kong, and Brett is the Empire State Building. So we're at Tompkins Square Park for the 23rd annual dog costume contest.
Oh.
Oh my God.
It's a parade, it's a contest, it's a meetup with friends. Everyone's in fabulous costumes. The dogs are amazing. The owners are great. And it's a great energy here. The costumes like are over the top. I'm like impressed. The dogs outshine the humans. Seriously.
Try to pick something pretty for a girl, to make sure everyone knew that the bulldog was a girl. And actually, it's the one that really fits her the best.
Stop! Anyway.
It's just fun, plus you get to see all the other dogs and how they get together. It's just funny to see dogs in costumes.
What's really special about the park is it brings out the most fun, creative people and their pups, and everyone is in a good mood and everybody's having a good time. It's just been a wonderful experience that we hope to do every year and continue doing.